Freeze the frame. Left screen, right screen. Two rival AIs just typed the identical repair into a Python library that has been broken since January 2024. Same file, same line, same word. Coming up, a version checker that lies, a build-off with zero dependencies allowed, and the bug nobody on GitHub would touch. Roll it! No anchors, no teleprompter, just receipts. This is the AI Code Report. Tonight's contenders: Claude Fable 5, Anthropic's newest storyteller, versus GPT-5.6 Sol, the Sunshine model from OpenAI. Both are billed as senior engineers. Time to check the references. The venue: one rented Linux box, 2 CPU cores, and no idea what is about to hit it. Identical challenges, cameras on both terminals, zero hints from me. It is July 16, 2026, and this is the AI Code Report. Round 1. This tiny library has one job: decide which software version is newer. Except it reads numbers the way a dictionary sorts words, so version 11 files before version 9. Alphabetical order for arithmetic. Repair it, then prove the repair with tests. Sol was surgical. 2 minutes 30, 8 tests, all green. Fable took 627 and padded the report card. 10 tests, covering corners nobody mentioned. Quick versus careful. Both cures worked. Round 2. An empty folder and one rule. A single HTML file, no frameworks, no internet. Build a sorting visualizer worth staring at. 2:56 on the clock, and Sol landed an interactive lab. Glassy stat tiles, a pivot painted traffic cone orange, and sorting you can actually follow. Fable spent 658 and wrote 555 lines. A legend, live counters, a full control deck. More machinery, less sparkle. Watch them side by side, and it is really one question. Do you want it fast, or do you want it fancy? Round 3. Python Box is the library thousands of Python apps trust to read their settings files. Ask it for a decimal number, and it returns one wearing a costume, a ScalarFloat. Looks like a number, quacks like a number, detonates when strict code checks its ID. Reported January 2024. Still open, 0 pull requests. House rule: no bug gets fixed until it fails on camera. 1 test, 2 clones, both red, both for the identical reason. Asked for a plain float, got the costume. Release the agents. Watch both terminals, 2 different brains, spelunking through the same file reader, heading for one destination. And here is the entire fix in English. The reader was set to round-trip mode, which gift wraps every value so the file can be rebuilt exactly as written. Nobody asked for gift wrap. Change that one setting to safe mode and it hands back plain, ordinary numbers. 1 word. That is the whole repair. The failing test flips green, and the 152 existing tests stay green on both machines. Now put the 2 diffs next to each other. Corporate wants you to find the difference. Scorecard. Sol won every stopwatch tonight. Fable wrote more tests and packed more features per file, and on the real bug, there was nothing left to judge. 4 separate runs today, and they converged on the same line, the same word every single time. Rivals in the marketing, twins in the terminal. This has been the AI Code Report. Subscribe before the machines write me out of the script, and I will see you in the next one.